noun. A noun is a word that refers to a person, place, animal, or thing. Person as a noun. Teacher, mother, lawyer, doctor. Places as a noun. School, zoo, hospital, beach. Animals as a noun. Cat, tiger, monkey, dog. Things as a noun. Twice, bicycle, glass, ball. Now identify the nouns in the following sentences. The sofa is new. In this sentence, the word sofa is a noun. The boy is riding a motorbike. In this sentence, the word boy and motorbike is a noun. My mother works in a school. In this sentence, the mother and school both are noun. The dog is barking. In this sentence, the word dog is a noun.
For more videos, please like and subscribe our channel.